any nation like Somalia or Sudan that is struggling, let's go plant a seed in the life of a man of God. Pick up a seed and let's go and see a man. I mean, I'm not talking about some of these funny people. I'm talking about the real man of God, a woman of God. Let the nation collect a seed and decide there is a church in the upper west region or in the upper east, like Pastor Eastwood or Chrisido Tete or Steve Mensah or Sam Crunchy Ankra or Duncan Williams. So whether you like it or not, God has keepers and friends in every nation. I don't care whether you like them or not. That's not the point. You may not like Doug Hayward Mills, but he is God's friend. You didn't call him. You have not assigned him. Say me, you know, he was a great into do a kick side. When a man said to me, with him, and in penny, Casasa, one mamma, Juma Anna. Me, I'm a sonnet, me, and we may be in ye. God has friends. That is understanding of the keys of the kingdom. When we have the keys, churches will not envy churches. All the pastors who are envying Elvis Agyemang will leave him alone. Leave him alone. Stop being petty and jealous and envious. When Anyamede wo young Kebeya wo there, leave the young man alone. Whether you like it or not, Alpha Hour has come to stay. We are all proud Alpharians. Share the link. Witchcraft in the house of God. And I thought witchcraft was only in government and in places like the police service and the armed forces and the immigration, will be position and will be the best person. I didn't know that witchcraft have come to church. Preachers that are wizards, blood-sucking people. Asumua, I'm dealing with vipers and venomous beasts.
Okache Christopher said, "Beye come chira. Oh, so you are preaching good." Okache say, "The bonfire. So why are there?" Okache say, "Giver. So you are for." Sika bian toha ewura me bottom. I can be bold to declare it. A toha a come accounts. The main one named this week. Nipa sending me message for school fees. Enti nipa enya come chira mpo ma sorry me. Only di musika. Me suffer no be income. Me one sesika and share me nsem. Say suffer. Say we me suffer. We me different. Me bow for it. Now the baha. That's powerful. But me ni ha ni asem ka. Oye fo mu a ye hwe mu ne dia. Ti ye obebre wo wa wo sika ehwe no. Etua ne school fees. And so preaching chire wo da. Omo mpaye ma wo da. Onya akom chire ma wo da. Utwa ne ho be ka chire me minimum say me ye kronfo a. Ye sha asori asematwa me kape. Nanso me ye adwuma chire mu nyina. I thought that menya nanka me your office work na me ko adwuma 8.5. They say Alpha Hour beka ho. Say menya sori anopa e free fear. Me drew fear 2 a.m. because ye we were high as a bonfire. Me drew fear na tra 2 na e 3. That's my life. We say we fresh office so you lazy. I thought that as I say me sneaky free officer because men sneaky a nipa beba oni nipa betra se ye counseling sa akosi anumre. We also person say prepare message say be preach church. We as say wo bonfire ni nyina mu me say ya come church. We as say asofo ye lazy omu ya kronfo. O kan say asofo na emomidin ubomidin a moawo. Me sister netina ase no say me hwe wo dwuma wo ya busumi bia me madwuma meye busumi bia mechema ma obi. To me sister tria me come from ye share Grace Mountain ase to close to 6 years. Busumi mesida o jina ketu anu a chem se me ametua aka ye nyame adwuma e mesida January way Or say January, every January your first fruits man yankopo. To a G salary in January there everything not the buy. So we are frame a conform now be frame conform. Me call master and yes say me pesika be dear fra sorry. But me pe ye yo. Me po ye di. Me hunu massage me hunu. Say nyam paibo ne mani pedi e your ma ne mani pedi. Me catch you musa sorry muinina asori muinina. Busumi bia finance for make sure so mu beti tight wo offering bia. I'm here there sorry for. That shows you say software jina wenim no on fat tight in niago. Me tight me fe niago. Now wa wo jim paibo free me one do the diago. Wa wo be srem paibo say me mom pai na urade nhira wo no. Una do the diago. Do you understand tithing? A sign that God, everything I have, you gave it. So take your portion. This is the committed portion I give to you. Asofo di musika, and asofo ye muse, and asofo ye muse, and asofo ye muse. Oh Jesus! This week, let me know obi din komo, and I'm obi jina me wo kwan so. Ojina me anti me catch in pakro so hold it on. Timini ni pakro din komo say no wote. Ni pakro jina me wo kwan so say ne baba ku books feed e bro ne so nti woje. Me ni pakro kasa wie ye no. And do jafo so say, hey, tinya school fees ku books nso nyina ye beje. Am si say wonim suffer pressure. And that's in atem. A thought that nipa beje moano. Ye di atem already so omuma out meka. Komu ka be bie wanum. Asofo amudi omatem. Ka be bie wanum say they are sustaining many families the president is not sustaining. The very politicians that insult us say asofo nye adwuma enye asofo nye se nye asofo nye se. Sa asofo jai adwuma ye ya. Do you think counseling is a joke? Do you know the number of wives we have talked them out of rebellion? Faithful because they are connected to a church that preaches the truth to them. The kind of rebellion potential armed robbers and Jesus Christ. Potential armed robbers nankenya sorry be any obibi ni omutea kabadi so mu di tuo jans wanado we are say asofo ye jobless asofo nim di omu ye. Do you know what you are saying? Wonim nipa wo proof of hospital resource reporter omba sorry ayare na ira mo kai first service testimony Friday mi bejina ha me say radisi oba bi di mojetuo eba o mana endi enoa. And now no power be there dance because that Friday no 2 weeks of flow, blood flow bleeding, 2 weeks continuous. After that prayer, it ended that same day. And Osi software you useless. Now cause I say what they call hospital and no whatever no take you know any other by this time kongusun take it. Can you turn without prayer and can you want turn the first 1 week? And sorry you're useless. Software you're useless. Asofo you say, and now person would justify 1 Ghana cedi bia o de come asofo. Yes, meaning asofo be bra mercy, I understand. Asofo be they are done business. But who deal with them single them out and fire nyina enkan. Emra na mini dan. Mama Grace Mountain and Kosi dan amobi. That time me work from kura mobo. So send your be your nini ma benya baby adan. Yes, man, only the mother shooting. So that time, many die. Last year, on say yes, any pada. More than 600 million, 60,000. And Grace Mountain for BGG she show mo. En free sorry accounts mo. En free war free mo ne buy. En free. So moody software tema. Charlie me free. Let's set the record straight. Nenye serious. Ye kanya mi adwene a. Aye hame. Say bimu so canal. No masha see yet said ye pe musika tin bina enti say asofo be bring timi nkasa mfa giving ho because o kasa wo yam hihye nipa na dwene o mu bedwene wo yam hihye wan kanso a o mama ne ntimi ma wo na o wo kire wa ye ntumi na ye ka no kra na kire wo nso na wo ne ye ko asad now o ye Kristo ni tinyame ni portion wo musika untua tight. What are so per scripture? So for you scripture, mommy. In scripture, be a imam. For what journey? Na me so me family, me nyame assembly uncle. unkai Genesis 14 ehunu de wo now sisters now with that so question as software say kai what do you prove chirem yenye debate or tithe yenye debate or tithe. Do you want me to dishonor my God? Yenye debate or tithe. If you won't give, I will give, and I have been a faithful tither. So shut your mouth if you see God blessing me. I'm a preacher that when you are sitting under me, anything I preach about is not it. And yes, now there are messages I will never preach because I've not seen it myself. But any message I stand here to